Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25-inch Android screen in an Audi A4. And also we install our OEM fit backup camera. And now we are showing you the unit. That's how it looks like. That's the hazard light replacement with the bracket. And also we did our Apple CarPlay. We're going to show you how it works with iPhone. And as you can see, we replaced the empty vent with our MMI loop controller for nav and with the knob and back button. So right now we are on Apple CarPlay option. So basically I can go to Spotify, and also I can go back to maps. I can go to my music. We can send message. So basically whatever we do with our iPhone, which is sitting here, we can do it on the same screen. And by going to reverse, when we are on CarPlay, we still can see the back of the car with dynamic parking guidelines. And by clicking on car, we can go back to the other menu. And we can go back to factory mode, and we still playing from our iPhone. If you're interested to get this type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy these units online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.